Okay, friends, our apple crumble dump cake is completely finished out of the oven. I gave it a few minutes to set up a little bit, right? So remember, this only had 3 ingredients, super fast. It's going to be great for you to make to eat at home or to take to a party, like a get together, like July 4th. Apple crumble dump cake would be great for a July 4th party. So let's dig in here. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at all that nice yellow cake mix on there. It's gonna make a nice crumble. It's gonna be delicious. These always look a little sloppy anyways, right? So we're just gonna be sloppy with it. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of Cool Whip on mine, and or you could put some vanilla ice cream would be very nice, or any ice cream really. So let's just put a little dollop on top of there. And let's taste her. I know it's gonna be good because I've made this a million times. I've always made this one when I'm in a hurry. I don't have a whole lot of time. It's gonna be perfect. The American celebration, right? Mm-hmm. That is nice. Very, very sweet. The crumble is perfect. I mean, it is a 10 out of 10 for an easy summer dessert. Have fun, friends. I'll see you in the next one.